For now, it's good with the light, but when they're gonna shoot it, turn the light off.
Whoa, man!
Over here.
That was a lot of gas.
Well, how much gonna cost?
Holy crap! Hold that.
Holy crap!
Holy crap!
We have a crowd over here. Audience.
Do we? Okay. Yeah,
Beer, what's the beer?
Yeah, I know, I
spray the
I
end
saw
of
it.
this so it sets fire.
Oh! I don't know if I got that or not.
Get away from the... Oh, what happened? I wanted to stay up. I have a feeling all that gas is into the chamber and it's not going to ignite. Perfect.
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa!
That is plenty.
Oh!
That was so good! Oh yeah! Wow! That was a good one!
Fireball, eh?
My face was like burning!
How's this? Don't hit the buses, eh?
I won't touch the button.
That was. Oh!
Holy shit!
Oh, it doesn't matter. No. That was sweet.
Did you get all that?
Oh yeah!